Find out what knowledge management software can do for you. Knowledge management software collects and organizes data in a centralized database and can be used on your company intranet as well as your external website. With a variety of solutions on the market, it's important to select the tool that's right for your business. Common knowledge management software types include database management systems, electronic document management systems, and knowledge mapping tools. Common knowledge management software features include content classification, which lets users group content into categories like articles, case studies, or product updates. Decision tree functionality automates the process of creating the flow required to help users find the information they need. Capture feedback from various sources to ensure that the information provided to both internal users and customers is up to date and accurate. It's important to look for a knowledge management solution that seamlessly integrates with the tools you already use. Key integrations to look for include customer service software and employee management software. Before making a knowledge management software purchase, it's important to ask the software provider a few key questions. What are the most relevant features in your tool that meet my business requirements? Does your software integrate with the solutions I already use? Ready to find the right knowledge management software for you? Get personalized software recommendations by visiting GetApp.com.